Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to draw the Lewis structure of NO, and I am going to explain a journal trick, and by using this trick students can learn Lewis structure of any compound and can draw it. So today I am going to explain Lewis structure of nitrogen oxide, which is NO. First thing students you may have to know is, here there is nitrogen and oxygen, and we have to determine their valence electron. We know nitrogen have 5 valence electron plus oxygen have 6 valence electron, so total number of electron here is 11. So we have 11 electrons, and we have to distribute these 11 electrons between these two atoms, and these are nitrogen and oxygen. So students observe it. I am going to draw the structure of NO. 11 electrons, here nitrogen, here oxygen. First of all, we know that students, we put 2 electron between nitrogen and oxygen. Here 2 electron between nitrogen and oxygen to make a bond between nitrogen and oxygen. This electron is used to make a bond between nitrogen and oxygen. It represents there is one bond between nitrogen and oxygen. So here are 2 dots, 4, 6, then 8. 2, 4, 6, 8, and here there are 2 electron, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 1 electron. This is the arrangement of an electron. If we observe this, we have fulfill 8 electrons of oxygen and 5 electrons of nitrogen, which is true. So again I am going to write it. It's nitrogen, it's oxygen. 2 dot here, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 11. And if I am going to transfer this pair of electron here, then it will become like this: nitrogen with here 1 dot, here 2 dots, which represents electron, or a double bond oxygen with 2 pair of electron here available. So students, this is the Lewis structure of nitrogen oxide. Just first of all you may have to determine total number of electron, then you may have to distribute the total number of electron between these atoms, and last thing which is I am going to determine is the charge. Next thing is the determination of charge, and for this purpose I am going to provide you a trick, which is, first of all we can determine the valence electron minus bond formed between atoms plus dots. So students observe it. If I am going to find it for nitrogen valence electron 5 minus bond 2 plus dot 3, so charge on nitrogen is 0. Again for oxygen, if I am going to observe for oxygen have 6 valence electron minus number of bond form 2 plus dot 4. So students, charge on oxygen also going to be a 0, and that structure proves that this Lewis structure for nitrogen oxide is true. Okay students, you may have learned the structure of nitrogen oxide. Best of luck.